Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study about NOT gate. Previously we have discussed AND gate, OR gate. Let's revise that two gates. AND gate means to multiply the inputs, and the property or the rule of AND gate is that if both of the inputs are 1, then it will give you output 1, otherwise it will produce output 0. In OR gate, the rule was that if both of the inputs are 0, then it will give you output 0. Otherwise, at least if one element or one input will be 1, it will give you output 1. So coming towards the NOT gate is also called inverter. We can also represent it with the name inverter. Here the values are inverted and it has only single input. How the values are inverted? Like, first of all, we will discuss about the symbol. If there is a one input x, then the symbol of NOT gate is in front of you, this triangular shape, and then circle. This is the representation of NOT gate. This is the symbol of NOT gate. If x is the input, then what will be the output? Output will be f is equal to x naught. We will represent the NOT gate expression with not sign. This bar is actually read as not. Coming towards the truth table, here low input represents 0 and high input represents 1. X is the input. So here there is only single input. It means there will be single combination of 0 and 1. When the values will be inverted, 0 will be converted into 1 and 1 will be inverted into 0. So if the input is 0, it will be inverted into 1, and if the input is 1, it will be inverted into 0. So this is the truth table of NOT gate. Coming towards the next gate, that is NAND gate. NAND gate is the combination of two gates, NOT gate, AND gate. AND gate is followed by NOT gate. In the start there is N. So here first of all we have to take the values for AND gate, and then we will apply on that values the function or the rule of NOT gate. Here, coming towards the symbol, first of all two inputs are there, x and y, so we will take two inputs. Then as it is a combination of AND and NOT gate, so first of all we will make AND gate and then small circle that will represent the NOT symbol. This is the symbol of NAND gate. And for the output, we will represent the output with the expression f is equal to xy not, means and it's not. So coming towards the truth table, for truth table what we have to do, low is represented with 0 and high is represented with 1. Here there are two inputs, so combinations are 2. N is equal to 2 raised to power 2, so 4 combinations are there. So first column will be 0 0 1 1 and second column will be 0 1 0 1. First of all we will take AND means the multiplication of inputs. So here if both of the inputs are 1, then it will give you 1, otherwise it will give you 0. So as you can see in the table, only last row is having one input, rest of the inputs are not 1, both of the inputs are not 1. So first 3 rows are having 0 and the last row is 1. Now we will take NOT of AND gate. For NOT of AND gate, we will see the column of xy. Here the xy inputs will be inverted. When they will be inverted, in the first row 0 is inverted into 1, then again 0 is inverted into 1, then third row 0 is inverted into 1, and in the fourth row 1 is inverted into 0. So this is the truth table of NAND gate.